Welcome for my channel. So for today's video, we'll be replicating this design. This is the design we'll be replicating, and first and foremost, the reason why I decided to make this tutorial is very simple design, but I wanted to show you how we'll be able to arrive at this line, how you'll be able to get this like this, how you'll be able to achieve this thing. So it's a very straightforward tutorial. It won't take much of your time. So let's get straight to business. Let's make let's go set the background color. We'll just pick it from the original design. This design will not take much time. Like I told you, we just want to get how that shape was done. Let's delete this text. We don't need it. Delete. So yes, then we'll be replicating everything as much as possible. Then let's bring in this shape, this cycle shape. Then we'll bring in a model there. Bring in a model, something like this. Yes, let's have it that way. Let me go to my gallery folder to see which one I'll be using. Let's browse. There's an image I have in mind to use. So let me just go straight to my gallery. Then Pinterest. Where is my Pinterest? So we'll be using this image. Yes, so we'll make it like this. We just want our face to be the major highlight to be our face, so something like this. Okay, but you notice that issue we always complain of, so you can adjust it this way. I think then you just increase this. It's not the major thing we want to achieve with this design. We just want to get that shape that way, but you can still work on this, but that is not the main goal. Let's just centralize it at the center, and let's lock it. Then you can increase this if you want. You can increase it, just that. Okay, let's do something. I want to get it right. Let's go back to the image again. Go back to the gallery. There's something I want to get done. I hope I get it better this time. Let me see. Yes, this one is much better. Thank you. So there's a difference. So this, then let's centralize it. Then lock it. Then we'll bring in that shape there that is like green square. I have the shape here. Something like this. You just rotate it. Right? I believe that is how it was. Okay, rotate it this way. Yes, like this, something like this. So something like this. We'll pick the green color from the design. Just go pick green, take it to the back, yeah, something like this. If you want, you can do this, whatever you want to do, just do it. Let's lock it. Then shape, circle, something like this. Then pick the color, something like yellow. As usual, you can pick it from the design. Just pick it there, increase it, just you have it this way. Then you put in the text there. Put in the text. Your logo, you can write your logo. Montserrat, or really anyone you want to use. The color, you can use the color of the background, this, but I would suggest you make it darker. For this particular one, let's use Montserrat Tesla both. Then all of this spent. Like I said, this one would not waste time. The unity we bring, we'll just lock it so that we will not have anything there. Then write what makes a great college application form. Let's copy this text. What makes a great college application file? What makes a great college application profile? This color white. While I'm doing this, I would like to give a special shout out to some person that has been following this challenge. This is actually challenge part of the upskill with graphic design training. So there are some persons that will be following up these trainings and challenges we started. I would like to give a shout out to James. James has been one of the he's one of the person that has been active since we started this challenge. I also want to give a shout out to Fee follower and Emmanuel, Miriam, Favor. You're all doing a great job, and just to let you know that we do follow up and see that you're doing well. So please keep up the good work. Then the main thing, like I said, is for us, how do we get that shape? How do we get that shape? So let's go straight ahead. You can replicate this in its entirety. So you just place it here, then you lock it, then you go over to shape. We'll be using this. The only thing we change the color because of contrast. So we'll have something like this. So let's use radius. Let's see something. We want to make sure we get everything almost this way it is. So stretch this, stretch this, stretch this. Then what we're gonna do is reduce the opacity of this one. Reduce the opacity so that we can still see something. Let's make it 40, then copy it. We give it another color so that we'll see what we're able to achieve. So let's do this. So because of this now, we'll go back to our edit. Okay, let's give it a green color because we'll be using it this way, like this way, like this. So the radius, let's see how we can adjust it so that it gives us what we want. 26. Is 26 okay by you? Yes, I think 26 is okay. So you can see that now. Then we'll increase the opacity of this. Increase the opacity. This. And this other one will increase the opacity back. There you have it. Then we'll now merge these two. Merge them together. And there you have it. So we'll now erase okay, yes, we'll erase the color that we don't need. That is the red. erase it, so we don't need it. So there's something like this. So we'll have it this way. Then this, see what we're gonna do. We'll crop that, just this part. We'll crop it. We'll crop it. So it's not perfectly exactly the same, but we'll get the same end product. So now the next thing is we're going to bring in another shape to cover up a cone. We'll be using this cone shape now to cover up the other part, that segment that we don't there, that other part there. So let's give it the same color. This is the major thing I just wanted us to achieve with this tutorial, to get this right. So of course, remember you can always zoom. You can always zoom so that you get exactly what you want. So just take this. You just have to reduce the size. Take it up. Take it up. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll still crop this other one. Crop it a little bit. Because there's something that's giving me that I don't want. Okay. Let's increase this one a little bit and see something. The major thing we want to achieve in this tutorial. This. So take your time to do it, just because it has to be aligned. If it's not properly aligned, it will be noticeable. So we can now merge it. So we can now merge the two now. Let's take this off and see. So you can put it, you can see how it is now. Well, you can still increase it a little bit because we want it to be really smooth. Let's zoom in. It's taking much time, but it's based on what you want to achieve. So just make sure that whatever you do, it's smooth, because if it's not smooth, you might not like the outcome. I think this is okay. Yes. So now we'll merge it. We'll merge the two together. We'll merge them, this and this. Merge them together. Right? Okay. See. Let's merge first and see. Let's merge them. Then let's do the color, because sometimes once you apply this, yes, okay. Then cannot all like that. So we have been able to achieve that. Let's bring in our design. So we've done this. Then we'll make the color white. You want the white color. Then all you need to do is copy this. Then you can use this. The little I'll save up this card. Okay. Just we use this. Use this. Copy. 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 Then this would flip it. Let's do this way. This will be like this. Remember, we've not aligned everything, but it's going to be something like this. Then we'll also copy this. Then this one would be, see the one that was used here. Then we'll just take it to the back. Then this other one is big. Let's see if we can use the same one. Okay. So this one, I think we'll need to go. Let's see. The other thing, once you start doing this, it might distort the image. Once you start moving from this side, it might distort it. So that's another challenge. So you can do the process again, then get the exact shape of this. But because of time, I'll be using this one. Okay. Let's just do the process again. So that we get exactly what we want. So for this one, let's use the same yellow shape. We want to get that exact feel. Get this. Copy this. We'll change the color for this, but before that, let's reduce the opacity for this one. Yes, reduce the opacity. We'll still be seeing some things. Then this, you can put it this way to make sure we're getting the other thing. And yes, so let's change the color for this. Then this one will increase the opacity back. I hope that is it, because I wouldn't want to go through all this process again. So this one is here. This one is kind of this way. Let me reduce the opacity because I wouldn't want to go through this process again. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so we've gotten what we want. Let's just match. Let's match them. We'll match these two that we just did. I'm doing all this process so that you will come out the same. Then you erase the color. Erase color just as we did. Take out the part we don't want, which is the red. Take it out. Then the tolerance, increase it a bit, because there might be some little things that is showing there, and you would not want that. Then you crop it, crop it. And I cropped it too much. I cropped it too much. Cropped it too much. Okay, it's not exactly the way, but it's still fine. Then the same thing, we'll bring in that cone shape. You can adjust yours if you're not getting it well. Sometimes just little adjustment, and you must understand that you might not get everything exactly, but try as much as possible that it looks closely related. Then we'll bring in the cone, this shape as well. Then we'll rotate it the way 90-degree. I believe this is 90-degree. Then we'll reduce the size. So okay, let's take this design off first so we get what we're looking for. It's not coming out the way I want it. Then let's take this to the up. We're almost done. I know this took some time. It's just because of this thing. Because you need to get it good. So now you merge the two, again, merge them, then give it the color green. Yes. So now, what are the text that was here? Where is it? So let's write in the text academic rigor. Not this, the text. Academic rigor. Academic. What does it spell? Academic rigor. So we give it dark blue this way. You can write everything the same line, then use line spacing. Skills and talent. Skills and talent. Right? Is that what I saw? Is that what I saw? Skills and talent. Leadership. Community care. Research projects and internship. Yes, so now I'm putting those things there. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe. I just make this simple flyer so that you learn how to bring in some shapes that might seem strange and weird. So these fonts will be changing to a railway medium. I think railway medium is better. Yes, so railway medium. Then let's get straight ahead to bringing everything the way we wanted. Well, you see, because of alignment, I always point out the importance of using your alignment and grid line so that you'll be able to get some things. So with this now, you can choose to increase this image here because those two green shapes need to be aligned. So this, let's increase it. Let me see something. I still need to increase this alignment. So we've actually done with everything. It's just for us to get our alignment right. Then this shape will come down. It needs to be in alignment. The two green, this green whatever and all that, they should be aligned. So we can increase the grid lines to 18. Let's see. You can increase it to as much as you want. So we want this line to be aligned with this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This should be you go up alignment with this. So bring the grid line and you do the necessary what needs to be done there. Then you can choose how you want to do it. So what we are just doing, we're just arranging everything the way we want it to be. So this is I should split come to the front, right? Because that green, yeah, we're not supposed to see. Yes, just come out this way. So yes, there's learn more and websites. Whites learn more capitalized and website www. You write what's the name, whatever. I'm just putting something there. Then the color will be white. Yeah, about rounding off. We did 25 minutes mark. So okay, I should lock this out to not be moving again. Yeah, you not sure. Yes. So bring this to the front. Then talking about alignment, you need to get everything aligned. So this all this our shape. This one, where is it? We need all of them to be aligned. This, the first one, the second one aligned. This, I need it to be aligned. Then you see what we do. Once you've done everything well, you can still choose to third one, the fourth one. Make sure you take your time. The fifth one. Okay. So, but this one will come to the front. This fifth one will come to the front this way. And it's not perfect like the other one, but it's okay. So you can see we've been able to achieve virtually everything in the design. Now, what makes a good profile? Moving. Now it's this. What makes it good? I want to move this so that it's all aligned. So yes, we've done that. The only thing we just reduce this size. Then we can make this bold because I'm thinking of making it bold, and use line spacing so that it will now I have to push it to the front. So this is what we just need to do. That's that, just to make sure everything falls into a particular box. So you might still need. So with that, we've been able to accomplish this. Then this green one, where is that big green shape? Not this. We'll use eraser, I think. Let's use eraser to erase that top that is showing. It's not supposed to be showing. Erase it. So yes, so we have it this way. The only thing, just properly align your work. Do the alignment. This comes to the front, this comes to the front. So yes, we've been able to replicate this. Just do your proper alignment, and that's that. Where is one of the shape? Did I hide you or something? It's supposed to be 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. It's complete. Okay, this is complete. So with that, we've come to the end. You can still do some little work, but that's that. Thank you for watching. So you can see we've been able to replicate this, and you know how to add those things. See you in our challenge tomorrow.